Welcome to Activity 38, Building Equations. We are going to complete this activity today using 6 as a whole. We will fill in the part-by-whole diagrams and write some equations. On another day, I could repeat this activity using 7 as a whole. When it comes to 8 and 9, you need to use this board, and you can place the whole of 8 will be that long and the whole of 9 will fit there. Let's get started. You will need one of each block from 1 to 6 placed in a wall on your frame. I'm going to use an additional 6 block just to help me explain. In this activity, we are going to be developing the concept of related addition and subtraction equations that have been rearranged using the part-part-whole relationship for these two-part bonds of 6. The first one I'm going to do is the parts of 1 and 5. I'll come back to 0 and 6. So if I put my blocks here, the whole of 6, which I'll record here, is equal to the parts of 1 and 5. And I know I can swap these parts around also to be 5 and 1. In the next diagram, the whole of 6 is equal to the parts of 2 and 4 and 4 and 2. The whole of 6 is equal to the parts of 3 and 3. And if I swap them, it's still 3 and 3. And finally, the whole of 6 is equal to the parts of 0 and 6, or 6 and 0. I'm going to begin with this diagram. I'm going to model it for you. You don't need to do this, it's just to help explain. When we start with addition, we would say 1 add 5 equals 6. I could swap the order of the parts to say 5 add 1 equals 6. When it comes to subtraction, it's important that I start with the whole. 6 subtract the part of 5 equals 1, and also the other part. 6 subtract the part of 1 equals the part of 5.